Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm sharing a new design team project for Taylormadecards4u. Before we get started, I want to remind you that Taylormadecards4u is sponsoring a monthly challenge over at Crafter's Castle. This month's prize is the Passport to Italy kit that I'm using for today's project. Check the description box below for more information. Monica's papers are so very pretty, but it was pretty easy for me to choose what to use for today's card. I just love those grapevines. It just screams vineyard, and what do we get at vineyards? Why, wine, of course. I've got a few wine bottle and glasses stamps and dies in my stash and chose a set of dies. I don't know where they're from since I didn't label them when I got them. These look awesome though, cut from the gold cardstock that I picked up at Michael's. Since I got used gold for the bottles and glasses, I felt that the backgrounds needed a little something, so I backed the gorgeous digital backgrounds with some gold foil cardstock. Then, using my art glitter glue, I'm positioning the wine bottle and glasses on the front of the card. To finish it off, I'm using another of the grapevine panels and a couple more wine glasses on the inside of the card. I just love how this card turned out. Please be sure to check out some other projects from the other members of our design team at Taylormadecards4u. As an added bonus, Monica is generously providing a discount code for you, so be sure to go ahead and drop on by Taylormadecards4u. I'd love to see what you create, so shoot me an email at the address listed below. Here are some other videos that I think you might be interested in. Thanks for dropping by and happy crafting!